Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to install VPN safety dot on your Firestick. So what is VPN safety dot? VPN safety dot basically tells you if your VPN's running or not. So it will appear right in the top right hand corner of your screen. So if it shows up as a green dot, that means your VPN's connected. If it shows up as a red dot, your VPN's not connected. So it's just basically tells you if your VPN's working or not. If you're interested, let's get started.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos.
Okay guys, so how do you get this VPN safety dot installed on your Firestick? The first thing you have to do is go to the magnifying glass, go down to the search box, type in there downloader, or you can use your voice remote downloader. And this one right here, guys. So download that. Once installed, open the app, and now that. Okay, so in the URL field, we're gonna type a URL. But before we do that, just press the home key, because we want to make sure the downloader is allowed to install apps. Simply go back to your settings, go down to My Fire TV, developer options. Inside here we've got ADB and apps from unknown sources. So if you don't see developer options, very simple. All you got to do, click on about, click on where it says Fire TV Stick, and whatever model you've got, click that 7 times till it says you're now a developer, then push back. You should see developer options selected. Turn on ADB debugging, apps from unknown sources, turn that on. On new devices, you'll get install unknown apps. So what you'll need to do is go into that, find downloader and turn it on to grant permission. Then press the home button, go back into downloader, and we need to type this URL. Right, so make sure you've typed it in correctly, folks. So it'll be on screen in bigger font for you right now, so you can actually see it. So once you typed that URL in, go to go and select it. once you're here, just go down to Fire TV download, right? This one right here. Select it with your mouse cursor. Once this pops up, click install, and the VPN safety.sub be installed. Click done. Then you want to delete the APK file. Press the home button. Then you should see in your apps, you'll find VPN safety. This icon there. Open that up. And then you want to click on start. And then as you'll see in the top corner now, you'll see a dot. So for me, it's showing up red because I don't have my VPN turned on. So if it's red, that means your VPN's not on. So if I go into my VPN, turn it on, you now see it's now green folks. So if I turn it off again, red VPN dot, turn it on, now it's a green VPN dot. And this can work in any app. So if I went into Silk, for example, it's still there. So if I launch that, as you can see, it's still there, and that will be always on your screen, telling you, making sure that you're connected to the VPN. So if you don't like it, you can just turn it off very easily by going into the VPN safety.app, turn it off, and now we'll turn it off. So really quick video on how to download this VPN safety dot. So if you liked it, if you found it useful, please make sure to
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow him on all his social media.
Hey guys, I'll catch you next time. Bye.